Because of its greater size, strength, and agility, a cat may usually prevail in a struggle against a rat. Cats are not always successful in diminishing rat populations, though, and studies have shown that large, intelligent rats can occasionally elude or even overwhelm cats in cities like New York City. Rats are naturally preyed on by cats, yet a rat's powerful jaws can offer an effective defense. A mainstay of human culture is the cat. They are still assisting us with many of our issues today, from keeping pests under control to simply being adorable companions. We have fed them, housed them, and even worshipped them. Cats are among the most common mammals because of this, as they have traveled with humans to nearly every country in the world. However, there are certain misconceptions about how we should benefit from cats, as they can have a negative impact on urban animal dynamics. Rats are smaller rodents in the rodent family, whereas cats are larger, obligate carnivores in the feline family. Rats consume a more varied omnivore diet of grains, fruits, and vegetables, while cats usually have larger bodies and a meat-based diet. Although the two are frequently thought of as predators and prey, with cats being larger and faster, they live in many metropolitan locations, and rats are frequently effective in escaping predators. Given that rodents make up 70% to 80% of the prey that domesticated cats bring home, it makes sense that cats are frequently thought of as a rat control technique in urban settings. Although there is no concrete proof that cats can directly reduce city rat populations, Chicago has even released 1,000 feral cats since 2012 in an effort to regain its reputation as the rattiest city in the United States. In actuality, cats like smaller, defenseless prey, less than 250 grams, which is around 0.55 pounds. Cats don't typically target city rats because they are 10 times bigger than rats and might get defensive when assaulted, since cats do not typically hunt them. Research has revealed that cats only alter the spatial and temporal behavior of rats, not their numbers in cities. As a result, the number of rats in a city remains constant. Rats can bite through a variety of materials and efficiently defend themselves thanks to their strong jaws, which can apply a considerable amount of force. Some rats can be comparable to cats in urban environments because they are big, fearless, and resourceful. Rats are challenging to capture because they can hide and maneuver through confined places. Compared to rats, cats are often bigger, stronger, and more muscular. They can catch rats more easily because they are more nimble and have fast reactions. With their keen senses, retractable claws, and sharp teeth, cats are born predators and are made to capture small prey. Reality depicts a more complex interplay where the outcome relies on the particular animals and their habitat, despite the stereotyped image that sets cats against rats, because some rats are bigger, more aggressive, and more cunning than their usual prey, such as mice. Cats are frequently ineffective predators for managing urban rat populations, according to research. Cats often lose or avoid fight with large rats. Research on feral cats and rat colonies in urban environments revealed that the cats tended to stay away from the rats. Cats only killed rats twice in a 79-day investigation, suggesting that they may have learnt to avoid larger adult rats. The main effect of cats on rats is to alter their behavior, making them more cautious and covert rather than killing them. This may provide the appearance of a smaller rat population, but it doesn't address the root cause. Contrary to popular belief, cats are not effective rat predators, according to the first study to record interactions between feral cats and a wild rat colony. Researchers used an innovative strategy to track the movement and behavior of microchipped rats in the presence of nearby cats. The results, which were published as part of a special rodent issue in Frontiers in Ecology and Evolution, contribute to mounting evidence that the damage that city rats bring to birds and other urban animals outweighs any potential benefits of using cats to eradicate them. Rats overestimate the likelihood of being preyed upon, just like any other prey. They change their behavior to become less noticeable and spend more time in burrows when cats are around, according to Dr. Michael H. Parsons, a visiting scholar at Fordham University and the study's primary researcher. This raises questions about whether the risks cats pose to wildlife outweigh the benefits of releasing cats in the city to control rats. Cats have traditionally been thought of being rats' natural adversaries. However, researchers in the US and Australia claim that cats pose a threat to urban ecosystems because they favor smaller, helpless prey like birds and smaller local fauna. According to Parsons, New Yorkers frequently claim that their rats are size of a cat and aren't afraid of anything. However, cats are frequently let out to manage this sizable, protective, and possibly hazardous prey. Co-author Michael A. Deutsch of Arrow Exterminating Company, Inc. continues, "Until now, no one has provided good data on the number of city rats killed by cats. However, the data regarding cats' impact on native wildlife has been very clear. The researchers seized the chance to rectify the record when feral cats broke into a garbage recycling facility in New York City. By microchipping and releasing the animals to examine their life histories, their team was already researching a colony of over 100 rats residing within the facility. In order to measure the impact of the cats on the rats, motion capture video cameras were installed when the cats arrived at the study location. This is the first time this has been done in a natural environment. According to Parsons, we wanted to know if the number of cats present would influence the number of rats observed and vice versa. We also wanted to know if the presence of cats affected the direction of movement or 8 common rat behaviors. 306 videos recorded over 79 days were analyzed by the researchers. Only 20 stalking incidents, 3 kill attempts, and 2 successful kills were reported during this period, despite the fact that up to 3 cats were active next to the rat colony every day. The third effort was an open-floor chase in which the cat lost interest. The first 2 kills occurred when cats discovered rodents hiding. The films also showed that the rats moved to shelter more frequently and spent less time outside when there were cats around. According to Parsons, the presence of cats led to fewer rat sightings on the same or following day, while the presence of humans did not affect rat sightings. On the other hand, the quantity of rats observed on a particular day did not indicate the quantity of cats observed the next day. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.